Hi, Martin here, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize multiple desktops on Mac. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to switch between multiple desktops with ease, making working on a smaller screen or on multiple tasks at once a breeze. So let's get started. So as mentioned, this is a really useful tool if you don't have a setup where you have multiple monitors. What this will essentially let you do is work on different desktops, so you can have desktops with different windows open and be able to switch between them with ease. So in order to do this, so you can see I've got this screen here, I've got a few extra items on, I kind of want to keep them up, but I want to open up another application, but it's starting to look a little bit cluttered. So how do we go about creating another desktop? So the first thing we're going to do is on our trackpad is we're going to swipe up with 4 fingers. Now, what you'll see is we've had a little bit of change in the layout of the desktop, but this button up here where it says desktop is what we are interested in. So what we want to do is go all the way over to the right-hand side, and we're going to hit this plus icon. So you can now see we have desktop 1 and we have desktop 2. So if I click on desktop 2, you can see that we're on desktop 2. If I swipe up again with 4 fingers, goes back to desktop 1. Now, obviously, having to swipe up and that can get a little bit annoying. So we can take the same 4 fingers and we can just swipe over to left or right to switch between our desktops. So now we've got 2 desktops set up and we can have them set up with completely different windows. Now, one cool feature of multiple desktops is because they're treated like different desktops, you could actually go ahead and right or secondary click on change wallpaper, and I'll click on this Macintosh one here. And then, so I now have this Macintosh wallpaper on my desktop. If I swipe to my other desktop, that has the original desktop wallpaper that it had. So you can have multiple desktops, all with distinct wallpapers, allowing you to kind of distinguish. So you might want to create one that's maybe more for your home applications and more of a home desktop, and then have a desktop that's more for things that you're doing at work. So obviously, like I said, being able to swipe between the 2 with 4 fingers is incredibly useful. If you ever need to close one of them, you again can swipe up with 4 fingers, click on the desktop icon that it is that you want to close. And then what you do when you start to hover up near the top left-hand corner, you'll find this X. We can click on the X and then it goes back to that desktop. So once it's created, you don't have to keep it forever. You can keep it for as long as you need and then you can get rid of it after that. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give the video a like, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.